So as my Dawadawa Jollof is going on, my pito or my wine, the local beer is right here with me as well. Right here. Yeah, we are chilling, papa. Kai! So we have a pito seller. What's your name? Helen. No, me pay. I have a pay. My local name, no.
Hey, you don't mean I'm secret.
Hey, local name there. Sumpuaba. But on say que yeah, simple. It's the first thing I can keep your friend Simpua. Simpuaba. Okay. I don't know what you do now. Be a fancy. Hello brothers, sisters, how you doing? This is your boy Cookie with Sindaco and I'm back again. But before you start, if today is your first time watching, kindly subscribe to YouTube channel and turn notification bell so that you'll be notified when new video drops. Follow us on Facebook as well, Cookie with Sindaco. I'm still in Adole in the Upper West region, right? Wa after Wa, Nadole. There's a small town over there, and today we're about to prepare Dawadawa Jollof. Dawadawa Jollof. What's be that? Dawadawa, let's do this, bro. Yeah, so we have our pepper being grind in the Sanka, the local blender. Yeah, Sanka for you. Dawadawa Jollof. I didn't say when you see that my friend like more than Jollof.
Be a pen.
I'm pepper, you know, Dawadawa needs someone to okay. Always the shea butter is the main thing over here as the source of oil they consume every day. So here again, this also has proven the doubt. You see it? Shea butter. So that's the oil that we'll be using for the Dawadawa Jollof. So you see this our shea butter and look at it. Why don't you stick to this natural stuff? Only seed, nothing's been added. Come on, man. Okay, so this is a Dawadawa and I'm going wow. So we are preparing the Dawadawa Jollof. Wow. Then add a bit of salt to it. No, Zumbili. Okay, this is called Zumbili. Zumbili fish. Okay, it's a sour. Okay. So yeah.
I got vessels. It's a sour.
Okay. Zumbili. Wow. Yeah, so you can't be Boliga and not having pito at any moment of the day, right? So we have a pito seller. What's your name? Helen. No, me pay. I have a pay. My local name, no.
Hey, you don't mean I'm secret.
Hey, local name there. Sumpuaba. But on say que yeah, simple. It's the first thing I can keep your friend Simpua. Simpuaba. Okay.
I don't know what you do now.
Be a fancy. Okay. So this pito and Rokodo.
Boomer.
Wow.
Can you that?
Yeah.
So I'm here kadam kadi team am is doing it.
We are preparing the Dawadawa Jollof. We are preparing the Dawadawa Jollof and we have a pito here too. Quaint taste for the meantime. Yeah. I really love the name. Simpoba. Like it's very simple to remember. It's a Simpoba. No, I just Wow. Okay, so a bit of water is added to the stew. Yeah, the Dawadawa stew. Yeah. So this is. I would say this is Jane. Okay. 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 Yeah. Wow. Okay. Okay, so this is Dawadawa Jollof. So this local jollof. Yes, over here we have our Dawadawa Jollof, and as you can see, hey, I didn't home. Hello, brothers, sisters. How you doing? This boy cooking with Sindaco, and I'm back again. Yeah, so we've done with our Dawadawa Jollof. Yeah, I'm really curious to taste this food, how it tastes like. If you know Dawadawa, you know what it does. It's like a spice, that kind of. And we have the jollof for that. Okay, so since I'm in the upper west region, Nadole, and they have this food, I can't just bypass it. I need to try it. Okay, yeah. So yeah, come and see inside, bro. So this is like the simple stew that you know, and Dawadawa was being used, and we have this is a sour fish, and the rice was added. So Dawadawa is the main source of the food. What I say? So, okay. So basically, Dawadawa's like because of the flavor that it has, it's like the Kobe or the mamone kind. So you feel the aroma of the Kobe or the mamone or mamone. Then I'm mamone in the rice. Yeah. So basically, this is the jollof that they call it Dawadawa Jollof. Dawadawa Jollof. Very local, authentic, organic. Nothing extraordinary was added. Just simple stuffs, simple ingredients. So alongside, I have my potato, and this is like being at the restaurant, and they've served you with food and wine. So as my Dawadawa Jollof is going on, my potato or my wine, the local beer is right here with me as well. Right here. Yeah, we are chilling, papa. Kai! For fried rice, let me do local. Yeah, rock. What's the power? We did good power, we did better power. Job better. I say, some person being the person. Yeah, so if today is your first time watching, can you subscribe to the YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, everywhere, Cooking with Sindaco, discovering food from the upper side, anyway, the northern parts of Ghana. And this is Dawadawa Jollof. I present to you. Let's meet again. For Shizzle Man Nizzle, I'm out. Yeah.